Hi, I'm Mingjo Chen with Lexus College, and I want to show you the all-new 2015 Lexus RCF Sports Coupe. Lexus F cars are the company's performance flagships. Only 3 Lexus models have worn the F badge: ISF, the LFA Supercar, and now the RCF. The RCF is great on streets and even better on tracks, and here are 3 reasons why. Its 467 horsepower 5-liter V8 is all new and engineered for high performance. It's designed for maximum rigidity and great handling, and its driving dynamics are track ready. I'm going to tell you how all of these work together. As with any performance car, the best place to begin is with the powertrain. Engineers took ISF's 5-liter V8 engine and completely redesigned it to produce even more power and higher revs. They kept the cylinder block and replaced other parts. The newly developed engine has racing-inspired titanium valves, forged connecting rods, an optimized exhaust layout, and an air-cooled oil cooler, which all contribute to the engine's 467 horses and 7,300 RPM redline. Even though it's a performance vehicle, it's always nice to save a few dollars at the pump. The engine uses valve timing control to operate in the Atkinson cycle at cruising speeds, which helps enhance fuel economy. The minute more power is needed, the engine switches to the auto cycle. RCF comes with a standard 8-speed Sport Direct shift transmission with paddle shifters and 4 selectable modes. Sport S Plus modifies transmission and steering characteristics for enhanced driving dynamics. There are also Sport S and normal modes, plus the Eco mode to help maximize fuel savings. G-Force Artificial Intelligence, or GAI, is active in drive with either sport mode. The transmission automatically downshifts during hard braking for a corner, holds a lower gear through the corner, and then gives the driver a greater power response on the corner exit by selecting a suitable low gear. Whether slowing into a turn or accelerating out of one, the standard Torsen limited slip differential distributes torque according to the load on each rear wheel, helping enhance traction and maneuverability. To take handling to the next level, RCF has an available all-new optional torque vectoring differential that actively helps cornering performance with 3 selectable modes: Slalom for enhanced agility, Track for enhanced stability, and Standard for a blend of both. It comes with a unique display that shows the rear wheel torque distribution. A good foundation for all this power and handling lies in the specially developed chassis, which makes RCF feel at home on a track. Lexus evaluated RCF prototypes at Nürburgring race events, which contributed directly to chassis development. As a result, the RCF is 50% more rigid than the current GS. In the suspension department, special geometry, forged aluminum control arms, and specifically calibrated springs and dampers give RCF razor-sharp handling. 70% of the RCF's double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension parts are different from the RC350. And when it's time to slow down, a Brembo braking system is there. It includes aluminum monoblock 6-piston front and 4-piston rear calipers, slotted discs, high-friction pads, and cooling ducts. To be a track car, you have to look like one, and with styling comes purpose. On RCF, it's tied directly into aerodynamics, or performance, or both. The wheelbase is the same as RC350, but RCF is slightly lower, wider, and longer. Unique 19-inch split 5-spoke wheels are staggered and made from forged aluminum alloy for optimum rigidity and minimum weight. Quad-stack tailpipes provide a look that matches the performance. Inlets on either side of the grille provide air for the transmission and engine oil coolers. The hood is raised to emphasize the V8, and the outlet here and the ones in the fender wells vent hot air from the engine compartment. A speed-activated rear wing raises at 50 miles per hour to help generate downforce. At 25 miles per hour, the wing retracts. The driver can also manually raise or lower it. For those who want to attract even more attention, there's an optional carbon fiber roof and wing combo. Inside, the cockpit has been custom designed for driving enthusiasts. Its racing-inspired front seats have integrated headrests and thick side bolsters for optimal support. RCF's unique features include the gauges, steering wheel, seats, trim, and pedals. The multi-information display features a lap timer and G-force meter for those weekends at the track. Finally, active sound control, or ASC, enhances exhaust and intake sounds within the cabin. It's activated only in Sport S Plus mode. With all those details and features, you can see that this coupe's interior is indeed driver-focused. You've heard a lot about the RCF, but just keep these 3 things in mind. Its 467 horsepower 5-liter V8 is all new and engineered for high performance. It's designed for maximum rigidity and great handling, and its driving dynamics are track ready. These are the reasons why RCF will make anyone a driving enthusiast.